Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Palantir. Palantir is a data company, and recently they're winning some contracts. They lost a couple contracts. There's rumors of contracts. It's really hard to say and predict the future on a contract by contract basis. And it seems like the stock is very reactive to these rumors and each individual contract won and lost. But I think people are losing sight of the bigger picture here. This is a really good growth company for the future. They are planning the future. They are doing the things that we need to do with data to get to the future state that we want to be in. So, finding out supply chain issues, military, they're in the government, they're in the commercial sector. They're expanding their tentacles into every industry out there. So that's the real story, and people need to stop looking at each individual contract. Yes, okay, it's worth $800 million or $80 million or whatever the contract is worth. Okay, it's a large contract over multiple years. Great. Contracts come and go. Look at Boeing. Look at Raytheon. They lose contracts. They win contracts consistently. And the stock doesn't get beat up nearly as much. Long term, this company is going to be through the moon. It could be $1,000 company. It could be the next Google or Microsoft of data. Okay, there's competitors out there for this company, obviously. They have a really good product. Go check out my Double Click Day video where I did a little review. And their stuff is top notch. So I like the stock a lot. Do your own research, obviously. But over this next week, it looks like the stock could go down again. Technical indicators say it's below the moving averages. It's below the 20-day and the 200-day moving average, which is not great. Although it's probably a good buying opportunity. Maybe not just yet, but now that it's in this position, it could be. If we look at the historicals, you can see it's been pretty much right around this line, right around the 200-day, 20-day moving average line. And typically when it's below the 20-day line, it looks like a good buy down here. And you can see we had some positive indicators here, would have been a good time to buy, and up here, negative indicators, good time to sell. So I'm going to stick with my indicators. I'm learning slowly to follow my own advice. I am not going to do anything. I might sell actually a covered call. I'm a little overexposed in one account, and I might sell a covered call. I do have some puts expiring this next week. I'll have to look how to handle that, which I also have a couple back spreads on that also expire this week. So be sure you guys subscribe to understand what a back spread is and how to handle these options that are underwater or in the money. So, long term, I expect this stock to go to the moon. It's a really good deal right now. I'm just trying to generate some cash in my account to get some more buying power so I can buy more stock. Especially this one. This one's awesome. I like it around, if it was at $20, I'd just be buying the stock outright. I wouldn't even bother with the puts and the calls and the options. I would just buy outright. But it might not get down to the $20 level because we have some good support here around 22, 21. If it gets down to 20, all bets are off, right? So I'm backing up the truck. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think of Palantir. I like it a lot. Long-term bull case, $1,000. It's going to at least here within the next 6 months. And then it's going to double that in the year, at least. Probably more. This is definitely a 10-bagger over the next 10 years. So be sure you guys subscribe. Follow me for more. Thanks for watching.